My name is Alzada Spencer, and I am the proud principal of Katherine Johnson Global Academy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Recently, during our 6th and 7th grade summer bridge programs, we asked our students, how does this new building make you feel? Or what do you think about the new building space? Some of their responses were, it's beautiful, it's bright, it's open, it's clean. It's like a high school. Is this really all ours? It's my dream school. They also chimed in and said, this building makes me feel loved, appreciated, important, and happy.
You know now why we have to invest in our young people, because they will tell you what they need. They will tell you how they feel. They will tell you what they value each and every day if you just take a moment to listen. We invested $26 million into Billie Holiday Elementary, $19 million into Robert Coleman, and $49 million into Katherine Johnson Global Academy, where we all stand today.
My name is Rachel. I'm entering the 8th grade. I would like to be a nurse when I grow up like my mom. With this new building, having a new tech class, it could help me learn so many new things on how to become a better nurse to all patients in need of help.
We would not have these new buildings without thousands of our community, white, black, and brown parents, students, community activists, alumni, teachers, had not advocated and demonstrated over the course of years for the educational equity and modern school buildings for our young people.
So this is the manifestation of generational hopes and dreams and generational persistence to make sure that our young people in Baltimore City have the 21st century spaces they deserve.